Hello children, welcome back. So let us all get up for one more interesting topic in physics, that is speed. So children, what is speed? Yes, the distance covered by a body in unit time is called as speed. I repeat, the distance covered by a body in unit time is called as speed. So this speed is equals to distance by time. So here we go with. So speed. So what is speed? The distance covered by the body in unit time is defined as speed. And the mathematical form of this is speed is equals to distance by time. That is it. Simple. If you go with the SI unit of speed, distance in SI units is measured in meter and time is measured in second. Hence, SI unit of speed is meter per second. This can also be written as meter second inverse. Whereas the CGS unit of speed is distance in CGS system is measured in centimeters. Hence, centimeter by time means second. So this can also be written as centimeter per second. So children, let us recall back what is speed. The distance covered by a body in unit time is called as speed. Mathematical formula is speed equals to distance by time. And SI units for speed is meter per second and CGS system is centimeter per second. One more interesting thing I would like to explain you is how to convert 1 kilometer per hour. So meter per second is SI system and CGS system centimeter per second. There is one more interesting unit, that is kilometer per hour. And remember, the 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1 kilometer in SI system meters is nothing but 1000 meter upon 1 hour can be written as 3600 seconds. So after simplification, this will become 5 and this will be 18. Hence, clearly 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. So, need to remember this. Similarly, 1 meter per second is equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So, okay children. So, next to that, let us try to discuss something more about the types of speed. So, next is types of speed. Generally, we have speed is of two types, uniform speed and another is non-uniform speed. Suppose if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. I repeat, if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then we say it as uniform speed. Equal distances in equal intervals of time. Whereas when a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time, both either of the case, equal distances in unequal intervals of time or unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So both are comes under non-uniform speed. What is that children? Non-uniform speed. Either must be unequal. Here equal distances in equal intervals of time. Here unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time. Both can be regarded as non-uniform speed. Another name for non-uniform speed is variable speed. What is that, children? Variable speed. Okay. So apart from that, we shall discuss something regarding average speed. What is the next, children? Average speed. To go with, average speed is defined as the total distance. What is this, children? Total distance covered by the body divided with total time intervals. The total distance covered by the body divided by total time interval gives your average speed. For example, whenever a body covers unequal distances in unequal intervals of time, let us say it defines S1 is the first distance, S2 another distance, S3 another distance, so on, so on, so on. Some Sn, different distances in different time intervals. Then the ratio of the total distance covered by the body in the total time interval is called as your average speed. Okay. So here earlier, as I have told you that speed is equals to distance by time. What is that, children? Speed is equals to distance by time. Speed, let me represent speed with letter V, small letter V. Speed is represented by V. Speed equals to distance by time. So distance I represent by S and time let me represent by T. So mathematically, speed V can be written as distance S upon time T. Speed equals to distance by time. If I would like to find out distance S, it is equals to speed into time. Distance S is equals to speed into time. If I would like to find out time, time equals to distance upon speed. Remember, children, S I have considered for distance and T for time and V for speed. So children, let us recall back what is speed. The distance covered by the body in unit time is called as speed and formula is speed equals to distance by time. Okay, and SI units is meter per second and CGS unit is centimeter per second. Other forms are unit is kilometer per hour, where 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5/18 meter per second. Well, discussing about the types of speed, we have 3 types of speed we will generally come across, that is uniform speed, non-uniform speed or variable speed, and finally average speed. What is uniform speed? Whenever a body covers equal distances and equal intervals of time, then we say that the body having uniform speed. If the same body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time, in both cases they are said to be traveling with non-uniform speed or variable speed. Whereas the average speed is calculated as total distance upon total time. If S1, S2, S3 so on to Sn indicates the total distances covered by the body, unequal distances, and T1 in the interval time T1, T2, T3 respectively, then average speed is calculated as S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus so on upon Sn by T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on upon Tn. And mathematical form for speed, V is equals to S by T or S is equals to Vt or T is equals to S by V. So based on that, let us move to the numericals. Okay children.